Hi friends, welcome to Paramjyoti Yoga. Paramjyoti Yoga ki Swagatam. For the last 2 months, the entire world has been going through a turmoil. This has not only brought about the economic and social problems, but it has also brought about an important issue which the society is facing. That is anxiety, worry, negative thinking, uncertainty about the future. And everyone is trying to cope up with these things by their own way. The ancient wisdom of yoga provides an excellent technique called pranayama. The pranayama is a life-giving form of breathing exercises in a very simple term. So stay positive, stay calm, and stay relaxed with these simple pranayamic techniques. Few precautions to be taken. Make sure that at least for 3 to 4 hours before practicing these pranayamas, your bowl is empty. That is, you haven't had anything solid to eat. And also, the best times to practice this pranayama is in the morning between 5 to 8 or in the evening between 5 to 6, 6:30 or 7 like that till the sunset. But always be careful. If you have any doubts or if you have any medical issues, always consult your doctor and only upon their recommendation practice this pranayamic techniques. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And also another important thing, you're not constricted to sit only on the floor and do. You can also sit on a chair. But as far as possible, try to keep your back straight. Whilst sitting on a chair, if you cannot keep your back straight, you can put a pillow, or even while sitting down, you can lean to a wall like this. It's not necessary that you don't lean to a wall and only stay straight. You can also lean to a wall, but always make sure that your back is straight. So let's start. The default position of the fingers is like this, which is called Jnana Mudra. Let us put our hands on our thighs. If you are sitting on a chair also, you can adopt the same mudra whilst sitting on the chair. Let's close our eyes. Let's first take 3 deep inhalations. Always the breathing by default is into the abdomen unless otherwise told. Let us take nice long exhalation and short inhalation. Now let us start with the first pranayamic practice, which is known as sectional breathing. That is, we breathe, the lung is divided basically into 3 sections, the lower section, the middle section and the upper section. So by using sectional breathing technique of pranayama, we clean out the entire lung section wise. So the first is called abdominal breathing, in which we put our hands in chin mudra or jnana mudra on our knees. Close your eyes and only breathe in and breathe out into abdomen. You can do this in repetitions of 3 to 5 times. Here in the video we are doing it for 3 times, but you can do up to 5 times. While inhaling, bulge up your abdomen like a balloon. While exhaling, flatten it, but don't forcibly flatten it. Naturally just flatten it. One last time. Breathe in, bloat up your abdomen. Breathe out, flatten your abdomen. You can do 3 to 5 rounds of abdominal breathing. This abdominal breathing cleans up the lower section of the lung. Now let us proceed to cleaning up the middle section of the lung by practicing thoracic breathing or chest breathing, in which we only breathe into our chest. So breathe in, expand your chest fully. Breathe out, contract your chest. Repeat 2 more times. Breathe in, expand your chest. Breathe out, contract your chest. Breathe in, expand your chest. Breathe out, contract your chest. Very good. Now take 3 normal inhalations and exhalations. Let us proceed for cleaning up of the upper portion of the lung, which is called the clavicular breathing or shoulder breathing. In this last part, what we do is we breathe in and gently raise our shoulders. Breathe out, drop your shoulders, but do not put any pressure. Breathe in, raise your shoulders. Breathe out, drop them. Breathe in, raise your shoulders. Breathe out, drop them. Always remember to have a gentle, nice smile on your face. A happy smile on your face. So today we have learned sectional breathing, which is the first pranayama which we have learned. Advanced practitioners can also learn yogic breathing, but for this is a basic level pranayama video. So today we will learn these 3, and in advanced sections we can learn full yogic breathing. Keep your eyes closed. Now we proceed to the second pranayama, also known as Anulom Vilom pranayama or Nadi Suddhi pranayama. The Anulom Vilom or Nadi Suddhi pranayama is called the king of pranayamas because it is so powerful. Its benefits are innumerous, but there is nothing like practice. By practicing it regularly, you will realize the benefits all by yourself. So let us start. In Anulom Vilom pranayama, with the right hand, we adopt something called Nasika Mudra. In Nasika Mudra, you touch the index finger and the middle finger to the thumb like this. The index finger and the middle finger should touch the tip of the thumb like this and these two. So we will only use our thumb and ring finger. Okay. So to close the right nostril, we will use the thumb. To close the left nostril, we will use the ring finger. Remember, right nostril is thumb, left nostril is ring finger. Let us start. So first, close the left nostril with ring finger. Exhale through right nostril. Inhale through right nostril. Close the right nostril with thumb. Exhale through left nostril. Inhale through left nostril. Close the left nostril. Exhale through right. Inhale through right. Close right. Exhale through left. And inhale through left. At this stage, you can pause the video and repeat this practice 9 times to 21 times. So what does one round constitute? So once you exhale from right, inhale from right, close the right and then again exhale from left and inhale from left. That constitutes of one round. So when you do both inhalation and exhalation completely through right and left is one round. So like that you can do from 9 rounds to 10 rounds. So at this point you can pause the video and proceed for practicing Anulom Vilom for a longer period of time. Welcome back after your practice of Anulom Vilom. Keep your eyes closed. Now if you gently observe your breathing, you will realize that you are breathing equally through both your nostrils. It has been found that in our regular life, at one point of time, we only breathe either through right or through left. But after practicing of Nadi Suddhi Anulom Vilom Pranayama, we breathe through both the nostrils equally. Your mind has already become very calm and relaxed. Enjoy this calmness and serenity. Very good. Let us proceed to the third type of pranayama, the Bhramari pranayama or the hummingbee pranayama. Its benefits are also innumerable. As I said, there is nothing better than experiencing it firsthand. So practice it and know it for yourself. Now there are different mudras in which the Bhramari pranayama can be done. But as I said, since this is a very basic pranayama video, we will stick to keeping our hands in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. In advanced videos, we will learn about using different mudras like Shanmukha Mudra, etc. But for now, we will stick to this practice. Now this practice is very simple. In this practice, first, close your mouth. Roll your tongue inside so that the tip of the tongue is touching the roof of the mouth. Then try and produce Nakara sound. N. Nadaswaram N sound. So try to produce the sound of Nakara. Na. So how we do? We first close our mouth. Roll your tongue inside so that the tip of the tongue is touching the roof of the mouth. Breathe in. Now while breathing out, produce Nakara sound. Keep your eyes closed. Repeat 2 more times of Bhramari pranayama. Breathe in. While breathing out, produce Nakara sound. You can do a maximum of 5 repetitions to a minimum of 3. Keep your eyes closed and try to sense the vibrations that you are experiencing. Bhramari pranayama produces subtle vibrations or sound energy inside the body. Keenly try to sense that by focusing your mind on the vibrations that are produced because of Bhramari pranayama. You can pause the video if you like here, and you can practice more of this focusing. Very good. Now let us do 3 rounds of Om Kara. Later on we will do few minutes of meditation. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. While producing Om Kara, it is a combination of 3 sounds actually, which translates into Om. So the O and these 2 sounds, which is actually a combination of A, U and sounds, should be produced together. So breathe in, and while breathing out, chant Om Kara. Again, you can do 3 to 5 rounds. Let us start. Breathe in. You can pause the video here if you like and proceed for 2 more rounds of Omkara. Release the hands and come back to Jnana Mudra. Now let us proceed for meditation. In this beautiful time of the day, my mind, body, and soul, all three are present here at the present moment. I am enjoying this absolute calmness, quietness. My mind has become very silent. Thoughts have reduced. The speed of thoughts has reduced. I am enjoying this absolute calmness. Now slowly I divert my attention internally. And internally I realize I am a divine light of energy. This external body is my costume. But I am actually a divine being of light. Now I slowly divert my attention internally. I withdraw myself from external world. And I am focusing my attention internally. I am a peaceful being. I am a peaceful being. I am a peaceful being. I love and accept myself as I am. I love and respect myself as I am. I love and accept myself as I am. I love and respect others as they are. I love and accept others as they are. I love and accept others as they are. I am a happy person. I am a joyful person. I am a happy person. I am a joyful person. I am internally very strong. I am mentally and emotionally very healthy. I am mentally mentally and emotionally very healthy. And throughout my day, I keep the divine as my companion. The divine supreme energy is guiding me throughout the day. I remember this positive, blissful experience and I'm having a wonderful, happy, peaceful day. You are in an absolute positive frame of mind now. So make one wish for yourself which you really want to come true, which will benefit you, your family, your friends, your loved ones. Make a real affirmation. Make sure that it is in the current present time. And repeat that affirmation internally in your mind. You could take affirmations like I am very healthy. All my relationships are healthy relationships. Or I love myself. Or I give respect and take respect. Or my career is progressing very well. My children are very healthy. So whatever affirmation is true for you, take that affirmation and repeat it in your mind. You can pause the video here and repeat it for 9 times at least, to maximum of 21 times. Welcome back. Let us end this blissful pranayama session by praying for the well-being of the entire universe. So close your hands into Namaskara and repeat Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Now whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Hi friends, doing this one day is not sufficient. So try to do it at least 5 times in a week, which means at least once in a day. Stay positive, stay calm and stay relaxed. Bye.